Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Oh What a Beautiful Morning from the musical Oklahoma. Oh What a Beautiful Morning uses 8 chords. Most of them are familiar. We have a C chord, we have a G7, we have an A minor, we also have an F minor. For that I use the pinky. We have a G diminished, which is just 2 fingers, so it's not too hard. We have an F sus, and you don't see that very often, but if you think of it as being the same shape as B flat, but just taking that finger off, it works. We have an F sharp diminished, which is a 4-finger chord, goes like this. You could probably substitute D7 for that. And you also have the easy D7. The song is in 3/4 time, which means it's more of a waltz time. So the strumming pattern I'm going to use is down, down, up, down. If you're just learning this song, the easiest thing is to do down, down, down. And the chords tend to change every measure, so you do 3 strums and then change a chord, 3 strums, change the chord. In a few places, I stop the strumming, particularly if I'm going from the verse to the chorus, because it's a little bit more musical that way. It's just a really beautiful song. Hope you enjoy it. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful maverick is winking her eye. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the sounds of the earth are like music. All the sounds of the earth are like music. The breeze is so busy it don't miss a tree, and an old weeping willow is looking at me. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh, what a beautiful day. Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!